Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing of my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, boy, me I tell you, Jamaica set away and my people. And every day the same thing we have to say over and over. The place set away and my people, because too much people, too much zine. And we have seen where the man them a kill off a Dolly them so much in Jamaica now, my people, because you don't know, you know. You understand? So much Dolly been, yeah, boy, it's too much people. So, I look at video goes.
Sharaine, could I
send to me, you know, people. And in this video, I see a female basically in our business establishment. You understand? Lifeless body upon the ground. Then the pictures of the girl and the ground, people. Very nice girl, beautiful girl, you understand? And the sad story behind this whole thing, my people, for tell us, boy, some man of Jamaica now, no heart, you know, my people. No joke about it, Zane. Because them said this happened up in a Thursday evening now, people. And this female was at her mother establishment, business establishment, people. And while in this business establishment, Zane, unknown assailant come there, boom, and shot her people over in a scent catching. You understand? Lifeless on the ground, and then they make them way and them gone, my people. Gone, you know. And when I see things like this happen, people, and you and yourself don't know what could have been behind these people, but you know, it's information I go put out, and then you go hear things are going, you go hear this, you go hear that. And the sad story when I hear behind these people, a lot of eyes there to a jealous ex where she got, my people. You understand? Very jealous ex them say what she have, who always, you know, try to fit back in and them thing that after relationship no work out, she move on and them thing that, but him decides to move on now go on people, but she decides say done for good people, and him say, you know what, you know go say, you know, and see them my people. So all eyes is on him, my viewers and subscribers. See, I want to say, my people, why when we as man, we say this over and over, we got in our relationship, sometimes we just feel like say we own the woman or we have the woman for ourselves, and there can't be no end to the relationship. Which we all need to remember. So look at the man, everybody got a life of their own, see, and everybody got a choice of their own. You know, if you're married to somebody, that no means you're going to have the person for the rest of your life. See, if you love the person love you, the person that treat you right, you are treat the person right, then, you know what I mean, things shall be on, things shall be good. But if the person decides, you know what, things now go the way all them need it to go, they talk to you about the situation, them try, you know what I mean, to get it work, to get it fixed, and they see no improvement, and them decides, you know what, me I go move on, you know, me can't do this no more. You get me, this is stagnant. This a come like a well done thing. This not, me not see no improvement, me not see no success in my life, and this. No achievement. Me and you, we're married for 5-10 years, and there's nothing me achieve. Me up on the same level, and not even at the same level. Instead of the level if you go up, it I go down. Why sense? Eh? And the person decides, you know what? New change, new difference. This is a 2022 now. You understand? It's a different year, new year. Me find a new gear. Me I make a change now. You understand? Me move from automatic and me put it in a stick shift. You get me? Why you can't just let the person be? You know, me understand, see your love. And 99% of the time you not love, you obsess. You understand? You sick on the head, you have mental problem. So you decide, you start pray back and pray the nice time what we have. But you not pray the bad times and you have butter bruise and I beat up the woman. See him goes to some on the lamp pile too. You not pray that way there, you know? Or the butter bruise and beat up the man them. But when them decide, you know what, eat that me finish, it's over. You can't let them go. You can't let them be. Until they reach a point where you have to use violence. What do you gain now? Whether you commit the crime or you send somebody to commit the crime, what do you gain to know that the person's life is gone? It make you happy? That means you never love her. You never love her, you know? You was so obsessed and caught up with that nonsense and your mad mentality in your brain. And you can't make the person just be. Take out our pints. Sadly, people, them take out the girl 3 pints. Me tell us, I see the video, body lifeless pan the ground in our mother business establishment. Them some people, I look a cash pot place, them say, where them say look a cash pot and them something there. You understand? And I look a plaza over in a scent catching. It's sad, my people, really sad. And a time for people wake up and wise up. Stop let the devil control in the mind. Have a better sense, man. You know much people move on out of some relationship. You know much man and woman out there invest millions of dollars in a relationship and in a workout and they move on and continue them life. So what's about Uno so special make Uno can move on and continue for Uno life? But Uno decides, you know what? A violence me I go use to solve this. Why? Come on, man, come on. You know, it's not a good look, my people. It's a dirty and a corrupt look. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And I feel so sad. If you know so the man them a kill off Dolly them at Jamaica. You know what Dolly the man them take out my people? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some Dolly when me also look like Barbie, you know. You understand? Some Dolly will look like even Dora the Explorer. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja, yo, my people. We island in a trouble, you know. I say it already, you know. I'm going to say it again. We island in a problem. See? And not just to mention about these Dollies to my people, and sadly about this female who them cut down my people. Who me see the video, you understand? Nice girl. But think about it, a lot of men lose them life to in some way where we have to think and we have to wander same speed, my people. See? Because even upon the turns and all my people, a whole heap of thing go on a yard, you know, my people. See? Down a center now, them say them have this brother, you know, my people. Who them say is a Jota man. That mean him carry tourists and them thing. Do you understand? Yeah. So them say this man normally they done at the Baye Principal Hotel. Out of Discovery Bay, him normally out the people where him just spark up in vehicle. Goes by the nickname Blacks. A lot of people do know him, my people. And them say he always out there that a film spot. But there is a sadly now, my people. Them say them find this man in him car, him and tie up my people. Them tie up him and them put something in a mouth paper and do what? Bust the throat. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. R.I.P. Like the man is a goat, like the man is a cow, like the man is a pig. Them bust the man throat for one reason. All police have to do is conducting their investigation paper. Little small lead into this. See? Because they don't know what happened and why them the blacks that people them find him in a car. So it's not a matter where they steal his car or anything, my people. Them find him in a car, so somebody want him out. See? Want him out. The life especially they need out, my people. Life. Oh my world. People just value people life like nothing nowadays. It seem like a uno name God. It seem like a uno blow breath in a man. Make uno feel like uno can do all uno want the people 3 points so. I know uno give, but uno just feel so good in on yourself, you just take you out so. So much things man, one local island. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, this place is crazy. My people, this world is crazy. My Jamaican people, me I tell you say people nowadays, them head no good. You understand? And if you can do your best, my people, listen to the attacking boss. If you can do your best, you know, if you stay out of argument, stay out of misery, stay out of mix up and problem with people, I'm asking you to please do so. Because you see, if you not do that, my people, the devil will go find him, you know, as your granny that say, as your auntie June that say, the devil always find a way for eyeglass. And it's not joke, my people. Sometimes you're not even an eyeglass, but the devil see you there, and him say, so your mindset did there for be an eyeglass. So him find him, we are fitting right there and corrupt everything. In turn you into something like a beast. Something that you never expect yourself to be. No joke about it. Some really sad situation, my people. So again, I want to say R.I.P. to that girl, my people. As them say, all eyes is on the X. Lifeless body in our mother business establishment, them take out my people, that look cash bad place. And them say it wasn't a matter of robbery or anything like that, people. Definitely, them want her out. Definitely, the place I hit on her head. Definitely. And everybody know how Jamaica go right now, my people. See? Everybody know. And I like nothing hide, you know. And I like somebody that want somebody know. Police talk it, the street talk it. Hit work. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, enough love and enough blessings and enough respect, man. And thanks to the love, my people. Thanks to the support, the like, the share, and the comment. And so for the people with the negativity, yeah, me are telling them, man, black on yourself and hide on yourself. You understand? Remember, one attack, you know, one scheme, one dream. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Alright, big up.